Hi everyone, welcome back. This video is part 2 to that fried chicken recipe that I recently shared. So my friend actually shared this with me, so thank you to her for introducing me to this because I absolutely love it. It's a Japanese method of utilizing leftover KFC. So if you didn't know, Japanese people are obsessed with KFC, especially around Christmas time. And usually when they have leftovers, they add everything to a rice cooker with the rice, some soy sauce, the leftover chicken, and they turn it into this amazing rice dish. And it's so delicious. Before hearing about it, I was kind of iffy, but then when I tried it, it was so delicious. So I'm gonna share it with you all today. So all you need is a rice cooker, some rice, some leftover chicken, and maybe a few other seasonings and some soy sauce, and it's so simple. It's kind of like a Trini pilau, so I think you'll enjoy it. Keep watching to see how I do it.
So typically in Japan, leftover KFC is used, usually after Christmas dinner, but today I'm using my leftover homemade fried chicken. You can find the recipe link in the description box below. Of course, you'll need some rice. Here I have some jasmine rice that I washed a few times. I have some dark soy sauce to add some color and flavor to our dish. You can use some light soy sauce or a mixture of both. For more flavor, I have some chili powder, garlic powder, freshly ground black pepper, and salt. You'll also need a rice cooker for the recipe, and if you don't own one, I'll explain how to cook it on the stovetop. If you have an Instant Pot, you can use that as well. I've had this rice cooker since I got married, so it's a bit old, but it works great. To the rice cooker bowl, add your washed rice. If you're familiar with rice cookers, you know that they come with that special cup. So I used 6 cups of rice, which will equate to about 4.5 measuring cups of rice. For 6 cups, I'm using 9 of the rice cooker cups of water, or until the water line hits 9 on the bowl. Now add the soy sauce and the spices and give it a good mix. Place your leftover chicken in there and turn the rice cooker on. You can also do this in a regular pot. Do the same steps that I did here and let the water come to a bubble and turn the heat all the way down to low. Then add the chicken pieces and tightly cover the pot. You can also add some foil if your pot cover doesn't seal the pot properly. Then check the pot every 10 minutes or so until it's perfectly cooked. The rice cooker just beeped, so it's time to check it out. It smells so great in here right now, I wish y'all could smell it. Rice, fried chicken, and spices. Such a great combo. Now, while it's hot, go ahead and shred the chicken pieces. And I'm using 2 forks to do this. As you shred the chicken, you can mix it into the rice so that it gets evenly distributed. Now, finish with your favorite herbs or toppings and enjoy. I garnished it with some chive or scallion and I added some bird peppers to my plate. You can also add your favorite pepper sauce. Enjoy it how you like it. See how simple this is to put together? It's absolutely delicious and so easy to make. I hope you try it out next time you have some leftover KFC or even some homemade fried chicken like I do. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of all the latest videos. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, stay safe and healthy. Bye.